when I released the last video on how to raise 6.5 kg broiler in 8 weeks, some of my fans on the comment section said they want a trick better than 8 weeks, something shorter than 8 weeks. Some said 5 weeks, some said 4 weeks. I can only teach what I have done for years, and it's what has worked for me. I've been able to rear my broilers in 10 weeks, and they gave me massive result. I have done it in 12 weeks. I've done on 8 weeks. I have also reared broiler for complete 6 weeks. I have also reared broiler for 5 weeks, and I was able to get results up to 4 kg in 5 weeks. So in this particular video, if this is the kind of video you want to watch, and this is the kind of knowledge you want to get, how to get your broiler done up to 4 kg in 5 weeks, please give this video a thumb up, share this video, like, comment, and if you have gotten such weight before under 5 weeks, please let me know on the comment section, or tell me the highest weight you have gotten under 5 weeks. Let me know on the comment section. I will be glad to hear, and I'll also be glad to read from you also. It's very important. In this particular video, I want to give you the experience I have gotten, the experience I've achieved before under 5 weeks, 4 kg in 5 weeks. You get this, and these are the tricks I use, the method, the formula I use, and all the procedures I use to get it. It's what I'm going to discuss with you in this particular video. Please stay tuned and watch till the end. Do you want to grow heavy broilers that weigh up to 4 kg in just 5 weeks? If yes is your answer, then you are in the right place, and this is the particular video you need to watch. Raising broilers quickly and profitably is easier, but it requires the right steps, proper cares, and attention to details. In this video, I will guide you and I'll walk you through simple, proven methods to help you achieve amazing results with your broilers, whether you are new to poultry farming or you are an old poultry farmer. You have gained a lot of experience for the past years. This guide will help you in everything you need to know about feeding, housing, and managing broilers for maximum growth. By the end of these 5 weeks, you will not only have healthy and market-ready broilers, but you also see a lot of profit from your farming endeavors. Then you can then get started on the journey to the fast and successful broiler farming. So watch it end. Step 1 is start with healthy chicks. If you have been using your old suppliers, this is the time for you to change. Get a new supplier who can give you best result. Please don't skip to the former supplier that been supplying you the old chicks. Try another person, another good supplier. Remember that broilers have different breeds. We have different breeds of broilers, and each breed differs in speed of growth, feed conversion ratio, and many other aspects. So you need to get fast growing breed of broiler like Rose 308, Cobb, and Marshall. All these are different breeds of broiler. The first step is to buy strong and healthy broiler chicks from a trusted farm. Look for chicks that are active and that are very sharp. These are signs that they are healthy and ready to grow well. So the next step is proper management during brooding period. Broiler chicks need warm and clean space to grow. So make sure you have adequate temperature, 32 to 35 degrees centigrade, for the first week of their life. The chicks need this warm temperature to grow fast. Give them space, give them enough room to move around. Each chicks need at least 1 square foot of space, 1 square foot for each chick. Then cleanliness is another one during brooding. Clean their house daily to prevent sickness. Use dry wood shavings or straws as beddings, or rice husk as beddings, and change it regularly. Don't allow them to get wet before you change it, please. And before you stock the oats, make sure you fumigate the brooding house. It's very important. Whether you have had any initial sickness outbreak or not, it is very right that you fumigate them against diseases like bacteria, viral infections, and other pests like all these lice and ticks that can distract them. Stage 3 is feed them properly. Proper feeding is another thing. Many farmers have the feed, but they don't know how to feed their broilers. If you are using commercial feed, it is very important that you add feed booster. Here we have Eco Bio Boost. This is a very highly sophisticated, high protein feed booster. If you're using commercial feed, add this booster to their feed always. If you want to get to that 4 kg in 5 weeks, you want to make your broilers ready for market in 5 weeks, please get this booster. We have them in 1 kg, we have them in 100 gram also. If you are in a far distance place, we can web it to you. Once you order for it, tell us on the comment section. I will guide you on how to get it. They add this to their feed. If you're using commercial feed, it's very important. This will boost the protein content of that feed, and both the energy and protein. The chickens will eat well and grow fatter in short period of time. Eco Bio Boost, we have it here. Then in their water, make sure you have Eco Bio Boost animal tea. This is just like this liquid. Please use this in their water on daily basis from beginning to the end. This is a very good organic formula you can use for their water. This will boost their immunity, strengthens them, give them energy to eat more, and at the same time strengthen their gut health. This is a very active organic extract from different plants. You can see it here. It is in 5 liter. This is 5 liter here. We have it in 1 liter also. Tell me on the comment section if you need it. We'll tell you how to get it also. If you use this, if you use all these 2 products, you are going to get amazing results within a short period of time. Week 1 to week 3, give them starter feed. If you have super starter, give them. If you have starter, make sure you make use of this booster to boost it to super starter. Give them super starter for the first week, first to 2 weeks. This feed is rich in protein and helps them build strong bones and muscles. If you are using commercial feed, please make sure you make use of this. It's very important. But if you formulate your own feed, make sure you formulate feed that is above 24% crude protein and above. That will give them a very good protein to start up. Then week 3 to week 4, switch to grower. Grower is very important in broiler. Some farmers skip broiler completely. It is not good. It's not a good feeding practice for you to skip grower feed. Grower feed is very important in broiler farming. Most especially, it helps them to grow fast and at the same time to grow weight also. Switch to grower feed. It helps the broilers gain weight quickly. Then week 5, use finisher feed to prepare them for sale. Please, finisher is very important also. All these feed stages is very important for you. Don't skip any of them. Don't use starter and finish till the end. You may not get this massive one weight. This feed adds the final weight gain for the broilers. Make sure the feed is always fresh and free from mold. Feed them several times in a day. If for me, what I do is that I clean the feeder and I make sure the feeder is filled to the brim so that they will not lack feed, and I make sure they have clean water always with this electrolyte, with this Eco Bio Boost animal booster. I always add it to their water so that they will have enough energy to eat and drink and to convert the feed also. Stage 4, make sure clean water is always available. That's what I told you now. Make sure there is steady water. Don't allow them to lack water even a second. Broilers drink a lot of water to stay healthy and grow well. Keep water drinkers clean and make sure they are full at all times. Feed them to the brim always. Even if you come in and the water has gone half, please go and add extra water with electrolyte, with this organic extract. Use fresh, clean water and add vitamins like electrolyte to eat, especially in the first week of their life. This helps the chicks stay strong and prevent stress during the first period of life, and they can convert the feed. Remember that broilers grow faster at the early stage of their between week 3. This is when they grow massively, and if they can achieve this massive weight within the first 3 weeks of life, it will be difficult for them to drop because they will pick up. But if they don't pick up within the first 3 weeks of life and you allow them to get stunted growth, it will be difficult for them to grow no matter what you do, no matter how you apply the feed. So it is very important. Then step 5 is protect their health. Protection is very important. If you are using this Eco Bio Boost animal booster, it is very important. This will keep them healthy because it has a lot of extracts, both antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-stress are all in there. It is a full arranged and fermented probiotics for the health of your broilers. Vaccinate the chicks as needed to protect them from diseases like Newcastle and Gumboro. Vaccination is very important. Daily checks. Check your chicks daily if they look weak or sick. Separate the weak ones to a different location so that they will not get stampede and die in the process. Clean the environment regularly. Clean their beddings regularly so that it will not be waterlogged. It will be free and dry always, so that they will not contact any infection or even consider that it's as a result of the swampy beddings. Please, the C stage is light and ventilation. Air is very important for them. Fresh ventilation, fresh air, cross ventilation, both left side and all through. They need fresh air. This fresh air will keep them healthy, keep them free from infection and diseases outbreak. Keep them light. Give them light always. Let there be light 24/7. Broilers need enough light and fresh air to grow. Light up to 23 hours of light in a day for the first 3 weeks of life. After that, give them 18 to 20 hours. The first 3 weeks of life, give them 23 hours of light. Then 18 to 20 hours of light for the rest of their life, so that they will get enough weight. Ventilation is always very important. Please monitor their growth. First, they need first week of their life 180 to 200 grams. That should be their weight within that period of their life. Second week, 500 to 700 grams is what they will weigh. Then third week, they should be weighing 1.2 to 1.5 grams. Then fourth week, they should be weighing 2.5 to 3 kg. Then fifth week, they will be weighing 3.8 to 4 kg in fifth week. This is what you'll be getting. If they are not reaching this weight, check their feed, check their water and health to fix any problem. It's very important. Please, by the end of fifth week, you can sell your broiler or you can slaughter them depending on how the market demand. By the end of 5 weeks, your broiler should weigh up to 4 kg. This is the perfect time to sell them to customers or market. Broilers that grow fast and big are highly profitable, so you can make good money from them. This is all I have for you. Please stay consistent with feeding and care. Broilers grow best when they are cared for daily. Keep record of feed, water and expenses to track your progress. Learn from each other batch of your broilers so you can improve with their life cycle. Then, with these simple steps I have given you here, you can successfully raise 4 kg broilers in 5 weeks. Get started today. You don't need to waste time. And you will see how rewarding broiler farming can be in this year, 2025 and beyond. Please, if this video is interesting to you, give it a thumb up. Share this video to reach more farmers, and at the same time drop your comment if you have gotten this weight or better weight than this. Let me know on the comment section so we can share from your experience. Tell us how you did it and let us learn from you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and activate the bell notification. Subscribe to our channel membership also, so that you get the best attention from this channel. This is how you help the channel to grow also. As you are growing your business, you help us also to grow the channel, so the channel continue remaining for you here. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed till the next video that is loading very soon. Don't go far. If you want to go into hatchery business, don't miss the next video that is loading. Is it on hatchery? Pure chick hatchery. Want to go into broiler hatchery, turkey hatchery, any breed of bird at all. The next video is loading, and I would like you to watch it so that you know how to prepare, how to get the incubator, and how to incubate and know how to hatch. This is on the next video loading very soon. Bye.